Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you all an unboxing of one of my purchases, which was the MacBook Air. Now I got it 3 months back, but I forgot to upload the video of the unboxing, and here I am finally doing it. I bought the MacBook Air. This one is 256 GB, the recent one. I don't know the generation. I'm not that good at remembering these technicalities, but pretty good when it comes to being tech savvy. So this was there in my vision board for the year as well. There were a lot of things in my vision board, and I am super happy that I'm able to accomplish these things thanks to your support. And yeah, so let's unbox this. So I actually got this MacBook at a very good discount, almost 15,000 plus 4,000 off, because I chose the EMI plan of HDFC card, and I got it from Amazon, so it was a super deal. I picked up the space gray color. There were 2-3 more color options, but I just wanted the classic one, and I feel this looks so pretty. It's beautiful, it's sleek, it's so lightweight, and I love the entire look and feel of it. I've used MacBook before, which was my company's, and this is going to be of my own, so I am extremely happy. It's more like an investment that I'm doing, and for my work, of course, you need a laptop, and this is the first laptop that I've ever purchased with my own money, and it is the laptop that I always wanted, which is the MacBook. So first, of course, you get the MacBook, and then you get a couple of extra nitty-gritties that they have to send it with you. This is just the Apple book where they've got the specifications of the MacBook Air and, all the different things you can do with it, the different kinds of technicalities you need to know, and these very pretty metallic Apple stickers. I was just checking how the quality is. After you're done with all of these leaflets, which I'm sure nobody reads them, I've never read them so far, we move on to the charger. Thank God you get a good charger. So I really like the fact that the charger of the new MacBooks are much, sleek and small than the bulky ones. This is a very nice charger, so yeah, that was good. Moving on, we've got the cable. The cable is also pretty nice. I was quite impressed with the magnetic one. You would see me playing with it in the other part. I was just enjoying the sound that it was giving when you connect it, and the magnetic feel over here. So I was just enjoying and having the best time. So I'll definitely link this iPad below. If you find it at a great deal during these Amazon sales, you should buy. Trust me, Amazon offers the best discounts on Apple products, but there's another product that I've purchased, and I'll soon share a video with you all about that, so make sure you subscribe. It's an Apple product itself. Now, I am super obsessed with cute things, so the moment I purchased this, the next thing immediately that I did was to buy a case for it. So firstly, I bought this laptop bag, which is just like a laptop case sort of a thing, and it's in lilac color, and it's it's got this velvety suede inside, and the front pocket is waterproof, and the entire quality is so freaking good. I'll leave link to this as well below. This will fit a couple of laptops as well. Then I got the colored keyboard one. I wanted this as well. So this one again was super cute. It fitted my laptop perfectly. And I also got a pink case. I'll leave the link for that pink case below because I didn't want to ruin it. I am a little extra with all of these things, guys, so please bear with me. That's just how I am. That's my personality when it comes to things. So here I'm just fitting in the keyboard cover. Looks so beautiful. I have got crazy amount of compliments on this, trust me. People just ask me from where did you get it, or what is it called? So yeah, if you want to make your laptop or elevate it, try using these cute keyboard covers. You get multiple color options as well. So yeah, this was the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and of course I'll be uploading another unboxing of another Apple product that I recently purchased. If you follow my budget channel, you would know that already. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.